When your company is going global, handling employment, payroll, and compliance across multiple countries is a major challenge. That's where cross-border HR platforms come in. Two of the biggest names in this space are Remote and Papaya Global. Each offers a powerful solution, but they're built for slightly different priorities. Let's start with Remote. Remote is more than just payroll. It's a full global employment platform. You can hire full-time employees or contractors in over 100 countries, and Remote handles everything: payroll, benefits, compliance, and HR in one dashboard. One of Remote's biggest strengths is its 100% owned entity infrastructure. Instead of outsourcing operations, Remote owns the legal entities in each country where they operate. That means tighter control, more consistent service, and fewer hidden risks. Remote's leaders also emphasize compliance. They keep up with labor laws, tax rules, and regulatory changes so you don't have to. Remote also offers equity tools, letting you manage stock options and ownership for remote employees globally. And when it comes to onboarding, the process is smooth. Time off tracking, agreements, and expense management are all built right in. Now let's talk about Papaya Global. Papaya is best known for its global payroll specialization. Their platform supports payroll in over 140 countries, handling payroll processing, tax deductions, and compliance with local labor laws. Papaya's model relies on a network of third-party partners around the world to handle local employment and payroll. This makes it quite flexible. If you already have trusted local providers in some countries, Papaya can work with them instead of replacing them entirely. The platform also offers AI-powered checks and verification to minimize errors in payroll. Papaya centralizes your global team data, headcounts, payment status, labor costs, all in one dashboard. Remote equals full-stack global HR plus payroll plus compliance with in-house entity control. Papaya Global equals powerful global payroll with flexible partner-based operations. If your startup or company is scaling internationally, both are strong choices. Pick Remote for long-term integrated HR growth. Pick Papaya if you want payroll-first flexibility plus partner integration. Let me know if you want a side-by-side breakdown of pricing, supported countries, or which is cheaper for startups in North America.